Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. In this today tutorial, I am going to discuss about how to capture a screenshot for a particular web element. Okay, before Selenium 4.1.1 version, we don't have a feature to capture a screenshot for particular web element. But in the current version of the Selenium, so we can have this feature like we can capture the screenshot for only for a particular web element. Okay, so first I will show you how to capture a screenshot for the full web page. So after that, how we can capture screenshot for the particular web element. Okay, so here why we need to capture the screenshot means, suppose if I am executing a test case. Okay, suppose if I am executing a test case, so during the test case I am going to validate some test data. Okay, I want to compare like expected and actual test data, so I'm going to validate. Okay, so during this time, if your actual test data is not matching with your expected test data, so I am going to capture that screenshot. Okay, so for that reason only we are using here the screenshot concept. And also if there are some web elements, okay, there are like some web elements so which are having some different locators like CSS or XPath or ID name. Okay, any one of the web element is not the correct, is don't having the correct XPath or ID or name, so during that time also we can capture the screenshot for the failed web elements, okay, which are not able to click or that no such element exception. Okay, so during that time we can capture the screenshot of particular whole page. Okay, at the same time we can capture the particular web element screenshot as well. Okay, that's why we are using screenshot inside our Selenium. Okay, so first of all, so by using of get screenshot as method, and we have to store it into some specified location here. As you can see here, this is our code, actual code. So here I am launching one Amazon application, so thereafter I am trying to log in with user credentials. Okay, so here you can see there is some get screenshot as method is there, right? So get screenshot as method is, with the help of this get screenshot as method, we are going to capture and we are storing into some file. Okay, you can see here the file. Okay, then it is not available inside this take screenshot. Okay, this get screenshot as method is not available in WebDriver reference. Okay, there is no method for screenshot. Okay, this method is available inside this take screenshot interface. Okay, this method, this get screenshot as method is available in take screenshot interface. So we cannot create an object for interface, right? We cannot create any object for interface. For this reason we are going to typecast this to the driver reference. Okay, again I am telling, with the help of get screenshot as method, so we can store into some specified location. Okay, so after that, this get screenshot is not available in WebDriver reference and there is no method for taking the screenshot. Okay, so then this get screenshot as method is available inside this take screenshot interface, and we cannot able to create a method for interface. So that's why we are typecasting to the driver reference here. Okay, that's why I'm going to typecasting this to the driver reference. Okay, so the syntax will be here like file source file equals to, this is our text screenshot interface, there I typecasted and I am using the type method called get screenshot as method. So then I am going to store into some location. Okay, so if you want to copy that screenshot into your local machine, we are using here a method called copy file. Okay, if we want to store, okay, if we want to copy that screenshot into our local machine, so that why we are using here the copy file. But this method is available in the file utils commons io, sorry, apache commons io, apache commons.io. We have this file utils class. Okay, this file utils class available in apache.commons.io.fileutils class. Okay, package, sorry. So this is a syntax for that one, that is file utils.copy file. So here this copy file is returning two parameters. The first one is source file, that is our source file destination. So after capturing where I am going to store, so that is our destination path here we need to mention. So the same I mentioned here, dot screenshots, and this is my screenshot name. Okay, this is my screenshot name, the extension of .png. Okay, so we are storing in source and file destination here with the help of copy file method. Here my source file is this one. After capturing the screenshot, we are going to store into some source file. This is my source file, and where I am going to store after capturing the screenshot, okay, inside my current project only. So that's why I mentioned here dot operator. Here you can see dot will always pointing to your current folder only. So inside that we have screenshots folder. I have already captured one screenshot. Okay, I have already captured one screenshot that is called failed dot with the extension of png. So after that it will print that screenshot taken successfully. Okay, this is how we can capture the whole page web page screenshot. Okay, so let me execute. Okay, let me delete this failed png first. So then after I will execute it one more time so that you will see the screenshot. Okay, so here I mentioned one XPath wrongly. Okay, here I mentioned one XPath wrongly, that is for sign in button. Okay, for sign in button I am taking some wrong XPath, so obviously we will get some screenshot inside your catch block. Okay, so let me execute this program. We will see how it will capture the screenshot for a whole web page. Okay, so later I will show you how to capture a particular web element. Okay, how to capture a particular web element. Okay, so in the latest Selenium feature, that is 4.1 feature, so it is a main feature we can have, that is how we can capture a screenshot for a particular web element. Okay, so now you can see there are one test that is telling pass only. Even though it is failing, we are not adding any assertions here, that's why it is telling you pass only. Okay, so here screenshot taken successfully. So after screenshot taken successfully, where it is going to store? Inside my screenshots folder. Okay, so if you want to see that screenshot, so just go to your screenshots folder and refresh your folder. Okay, here we can see fail.png. Okay, let me open with internal web browser. Here you can see it got clicked on sign in, but this web element is not present. Okay, because I mentioned there some wrong XPath. Okay, that's why it is capturing the screenshot for this sign in button. Okay, so now we will see how we can capture screenshot for a particular web element. Okay, how we can capture a screenshot for a particular web element. Okay, this time I am going to mention the correct XPath to make our test pass. Okay, so here let me add t. Okay, then let me execute. Okay, it entered, clicked on continue and clicked on sign in. Okay, it got successfully signed in, right? So now we don't have any screenshot. Okay, now we don't have any screenshot. You can see here take screenshot element passed. This method name is take screenshot element, but we don't have any catch block here because it got successfully clicked on sign in button. Okay, so now we will see how we can capture screenshot for a particular web element. So here I am going to capture screenshot for only this sign in button. Okay, how we can capture, we will see. Okay, so for that let me go to my Eclipse. So here we have already taken for username field. After that clicking on submit button, continue, then I am entering password. After that Selenium 123, entering the password. Okay, after that we are maximizing, right? So now I am going to capture the screenshot for only particular web element, that is okay. So here I am going to capture the screenshot for sign in button only, that is web element sign in button equals to driver.find element. Okay, this web element I am going to capture the screenshot. Okay, so now okay, so let me go to our catch block. Okay, try, so let me remove this try and catch blocks here. Okay, so let me remove these two try and catch blocks and let me execute. Okay, so I want to capture only sign in button only, right? So now our we have already taken this file src file equals to take screenshot of get screenshot as output type dot file, right? So now our next step will be destination file, right? So here file, I am taking one more file class to capture my screenshot, right, for only particular web element, that is destination file. Okay, file destination file equals to, so what is our syntax here? So file of new file of path we have to mention, right? Path is the same only, that is screenshots is my folder name. After that I need to mention the file name called with an extension of signin.png. Okay, sign.png. Okay, this is my web element where I am going to capture. Okay, signin.png. So after this, okay, so now we have destination file and our source file. Okay, source file, what it will do, it will capture the screenshot with the help of get screenshot as, and it is going to store into some file. Okay, now we have two files, that is source file and destination file. So here I am going to write file utils.copy file of destination file. Okay, of destination file. Okay, so let me add it here, destination file. Okay, so now I am going to take this only, this is screenshot only, right? So here file src file equals to, so now I am going to capture this sign in button, right? So for that we will take here like this, sign in button dot get screenshot as output type dot file. So if we write like this, so directly what it will happen, with the help of this get screenshot as method, so it will directly capture the button screenshot. Okay, only for this button only. Okay, so now I am not going to do any click here, I just want to take the screenshot for that particular sign in button. Okay, so let me execute this program and we will see. Okay, so now our file name will be signin.png. It will capture only that particular web element called sign in. Okay, so now it is entering the credentials. Okay, clicked on sign in. Yeah, this is a one feature which is available only from the version of Selenium 4.1.1. Okay, Selenium 4.1.1, right? So now let me go back to our screenshots folder. So let me refresh it. Okay, here you can see sign in. Okay, so this is how we can capture only particular web element. Okay, so now I am going to take one more screenshot for sign in. Okay, so I am going to take now the screenshot for, okay, sign in button dot click, I don't want it now, so but I have to take screenshot only for username. Okay, that is our username here. So here I am adding file src file equals to username dot get screenshot as output type dot file, and I'm going to mention source file and destination file. This time what it will capture, it will capture only the username field only. Okay, it will capture only the username field. Okay, so now let me execute and we will see the output. Okay, it is executing and it entered the URL and it is clicking on sign in button now. Okay, clicked on sign in button, it captured the username field. Okay, so now let me go back to our, so I think I need to change the sign in.png name here. Okay, so we will see it is overriding the existing one or it is creating one more new screenshot, we will see. Okay, okay, so I have to rename this file name here, username. Okay, username dot png, right? So let me execute it one more time. Okay, source file is username and destination is this one, source file destination file. Okay, that is fine. Okay, clicked on sign in, now it will maximize. Yeah, okay, so then our test case got completed. So now let me go back to our screenshots folder and we will see, okay, username.png. Okay, you can see it captured the field called username.png. So likewise we can capture the screenshot for all the web elements if you want. Okay, we can capture the particular web element with the help of this take screenshot interface. So we can capture easily only particular web element in the latest version of Selenium only. Okay, before Selenium 4.1.1 we don't have this feature to capture only particular web element, but in the latest version we can have this feature also. Okay, they added this feature also. So I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, please drop a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Selenium Tech Automation if you are new to my channel. And also please share this video to your friends or colleagues so that they will also learn something about this concept, how to capture a screenshot for whole page and also how to capture a screenshot for only particular web element. And also your share will helps this video to recommend for more people. Okay, so that's all it for now. So thanks guys, signing off, Selenium Tech Automation. We will meet with our next video. Okay, until then, take care everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.